Dear students, in last video we have completed the physical properties of alkali metals. So in this video we will discuss about the chemical properties of alkali metals. Now chemical properties of alkali metals. Chemical properties of alkali metals. So first point of it, that is very important. Alkali metals are highly reactive element. Alkali metals are highly reactive elements. These are highly reactive elements. The high chemical reactivity is due to low ionization energy. Low ionization energy and low heat of combustion. Heat of atomization लिखेंगे. Heat of atomization. Reactivity is due to low ionization energy and low heats of atomization. So there are some chemical properties which are important. First is action of air. Action of air. First is when alkali metals like sodium react with air, then it forms oxide. Means when metal react with oxygen or air, then it form metal oxide. Metal oxide. If metal is sodium, then it is sodium oxide. Metal is potassium, then it is potassium oxide. And further, this oxide Na2O, this is Na2O, react with water, then it form 2NaOH, which is a strong base, and name of the compound is sodium hydroxide. Name of the compound is sodium hydroxide. Okay. Next is action with dihydrogen, or we can say that reaction with H2. Reaction with H2. सपोज कीजिए M क्या है हमारे पास, alkali metals react with hydrogen, then it forms metal hydride. This is metal hydrides. A most important thing is that hydrogen always shows +1 oxidation state, but in case of hydride it shows -1 oxidation state. Only in case of hydride it shows -1 oxidation state. Next, reaction with water. When alkali metals react with water, then it also form MOH and hydrogen gas. MOH means metal hydroxide. Alkali metal hydroxide. Clear? And the nature of hydroxide is basic strength increases. Basic strength of metal hydroxide increases down the group. down the basic strength of hydroxide increases down the group.